Hello everybody. Today we're going to be replacing the self-propelled drive belt on the 2003 model 20017 Toro personal pace lawnmower. I've got to take these bolts out and remove that cover, and then I got to take the blade off and take that guard off and go from there. For this job I used a long-handled screwdriver, 3/8 socket, 1/2 inch socket, and a 5/8 socket. And always, before beginning, disconnect the spark plug. I'll go ahead and get these loosened up. These are 3/8. Next, I'll take the blade off. I got that a little tight last time. Guess I was extra strong that day. And this guard's got to come off. I'll get the appropriate size for that. And that's off. And that tilts out of there like so. See if I can roll the old belt off. Seemed like I took this out. Yeah, I can see it a little better. Try pushing it through with a screwdriver. That did it. The belt is off. Well, unfortunately, this part is going to be a little bit difficult to show. The belt slips by this piece here, and I've just got to pry it off with the screwdriver to get it to clear that. It's a real tight fit. And then the reverse of putting it back on, where I tug on it, once I roll it back over the pulley, it'll pull back over and slip in between here and the pulley. Might get just a little angle of that. Let's see. You can almost see how much clearance there is, which is not much, but it's just enough to where you can push that off with the screwdriver and then just pull it back on with the replacement belt, and it don't have to take much more apart than that. Here's the new belt. I can't recall the part number now, but I'll just show I think it's 912258. Pulley looks good. Put it on the engine side first, and then roll it on the self-propelled side pulley, and just pull it, and it'll wedge itself back in there like that. Done. Now to reassemble. Put this piece back on, which looks like I need a new one of those as well. Surprise, surprise. Get that on. Put this cover back on, which is a bit chewed up by the belt. Well, let's go ahead and get this piece belt guard back on. I put a little penetrating oil in there to help these bolts go back in there a little easier. They're kind of binding up. I didn't want to get them cross-threaded. There they go. Good and snug. Now I'll put the blade back on. Spark plug is removed, remember. This is 5/8. Won't tighten it quite as tight as I did before. Now I'll put these 3 screws that hold the belt cover on. And these are 3/8. And that is plastic, so I don't need to over-torque those too much. Well, let's see how it performs with the new belt. Wow, that works so much better. I'm not going to have to work near as hard. So got the belt replaced and my self-propel system works again. Beg my pardon, the personal pace self-propel system is working perfectly. Thank you for watching.